Hi, I'm Sean Regan. I'm the president of Syntech Outdoors. Introduce myself, my company, and my experience that I've had with RSP, company that produces outdoor hunting and fishing products. We produce, one of our products is the Rackulator. It's a sporing device for all big game animals. It had a unique characteristic where it's not just software. It's a software firmware. It's an electronic device that needs to be taken into the field, so it has to be rugged and durable. And we were producing it with another contract manufacturer, but kept having quality issues. And we ended up reaching out to RSP, and it's been over 6-7 years since we've done so. And they sat down and took a lot of time to understand our product. They got some of their electrical engineers involved, they got some of their mechanical engineers involved. They sat down with us, they treated us with respect, and truly understanding what we are trying to accomplish. And then took it from there. They even made great suggestions on how to make the product better, and which we totally capitalized on. So a little brief history, we started the company about 10 years ago to basically bring better products to the outdoor hunting and fishing market. Rackulator, Windseeker is a new one that we are developing with the help of RSP. They are helping us with electrical engineering, with firmware update. Truly a godsend. Asked them to do something. The first thing is they would say, how can we do better? Give us your thoughts, run it. Out to us for RSP is really their ability to be reactive. We've over 6 years we've put a lot of hard demands on RSP. Our product is so seasonal, and when we've had a really good year and we ended up running out of inventory, we would call having access to our sales manager, all the way up to the president and one of the owners, and also being able to get a hold of the plant manager in China or in one of their other locations. For us, it's China. Being able to talk to them right away, being able to figure out a way to have them work some overtime. They've always gone the extra mile for us, and we've asked some very hard demands where we said we need 10,000 units, we need 5,000 units in a month, and we are out. Is there anything you can do? They've always been reactive. They've always helped us with freight, always helped us with being able to get our product out to the market as quick as possible. RSP has, to us, the top three things is what we call the trifecta. They are able to get to the market fast, they are able to get us at a price point, and they are able to provide top quality. All three of those items to us are the top three, the top three items we're looking for in a contract manufacturer, and those are the three things that they bring to the table every single time. So some of the other business owners that I know in our industry, they've always been impressed on how quickly we've been able to come out with new products and whatnot, and they've asked for our basically keys to success. And one of those things we do recommend is RSP. We've in fact recommended to several different companies, and the main reason that we do that is, they've always helped us. They've helped us grow. They've helped us get to the market with quality and great pricing.